In this video, I'll show you how to import a Figma design into V0. First, open your web browser and sign in to both your V0 and Figma accounts. Open the Figma design you want to use and make sure it's complete before importing it. Next, copy the link to your Figma file. In Figma, click the Share button, make sure the file has the appropriate sharing permissions, and copy the link. Now, return to V0 and start a new chat or open an existing project. Paste the Figma link into the chat and ask V0 to recreate the design as a Next.js application using React, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcon/UI components. Wait while V0 analyzes the design and generates the code. After that, review the generated interface carefully. If anything doesn't match your original design, continue chatting with V0 and ask it to adjust the layout, colors, spacing, typography, or individual components until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, once the UI matches your design, export the code or connect the project to GitHub if your version of V0 supports it. Open the project in your preferred code editor to continue development or deploy it to your hosting platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import a Figma design into V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.